Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce myself. So my name is William Fatih Hanoko, but you guys can simply call me Wilda. I am born at the 2nd of May 2010, which makes me 15 years old right now. And then right now I am a student at SMA Pusat School of the Arts. A lot of people say that I am a very cheerful person, and I am also, a lot of people say that I am a very confident person. And then I came from a small family of four. My dad works as a filmmaker, while my mom is just an ordinary housewife. I also have a little sister who is very cheerful and loves to talk much. Yeah. So, my hometown is the city of Solo, which is a city located in central Java. The city is quite close to the city of Yogyakarta, if you know. Solo is one of the center of the Japanese culture, so you can see like a lot of Japanese culture still there, like a lot of batik, people wearing batik, a lot of traditional Japanese food, and then also one of the most famous thing there is the Kraton, or the royal palace of the Solo kings. Yeah. So I began my education at an elementary school at Bojonggede, which is called SD Al-Amin Bojonggede. And then I continue my junior high school at SMP Saman Al-Farisi, which is a junior high school located in Cibinong. There I learned how to play futsal because I joined the futsal club there. Since then I love playing and watching futsal. So I live in a small house located in Bojonggede. My house is good because I think it's very peaceful there because it's not quite near to a big road, so there's not a lot of like traffic sounds and then honking sounds because it's not close to a major road. So a little bit about my hobby. So my hobby is football, not only playing but also watching football. For me, football is not just a game. It's a big part of my life. I started watching football since I was a kid. Back then, my father just usually invite me to watch football with him. We usually just watch the national team, and then side by side, I love football even more. And then, yeah, football for me is very fun because there's a lot of exciting things in football, like from when a goal is scored, the anger when a goal is disallowed, and a lot more. So, firstly, before watching football, I usually prepare some snacks, I prepare some drinks for me to consume when I was watching football. And then I usually invite my friends to watch over if it was a national team's game, because it's like a sort of tradition for us to come along and then watch national team together. But however, if the match is late at night, like example, if I'm watching European football, I usually just see it while laying in my bed with my phone or my tablet because I'm too lazy to go out and watch it on my TV. I frequently watch the Spanish First Division La Liga, and then I usually watch also the Champions League because in La Liga there's my favorite team play, which is Real Madrid, the best team in the whole world. So when I was watching European football, I just usually watch it on the weekends because it's late at night. I'm not allowed to watch late at night when there's a school tomorrow. My mood after a football game depends really on the performance of my team. If my team does good, of course I will be in a happy mood. But if my team plays bad, sometimes I will be sad or I will be angry. But at the end of the day, football is just a game, and winning and losing is a normal thing in a game. So the most important thing about watching football is that how you can stay loyal and how you can be, how you can still support the team no whatever happens. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you for listening, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.